Okay, this is going to be the first time that you have a video before your lesson on e-learning. So here we go. So this is going to be a game called Albert's Insomnia, okay? What you do is you get 4 cards. These aren't the cards you get, this is just an example. And you have to use those cards, at least 2 of them. You can use at least 2 or 3 or 4, whatever, and any operations that you want to get all the numbers you can. Okay? If you're like, that doesn't make sense, well, take a look at the score sheet, and that should help. So we have these cards. Now, our numbers are 2, 8, 1, and 12. How can we use at least 2 of those numbers to get 1? That's the question. Oh, don't forget, you got to fill out the score sheet. So make sure to put your name under the player. And if you want, you can rewrite your numbers to keep track of them. So now, what you want is you want to figure out how to get the answer of 1. And you may say, well, if I do 2 divided by 2, I get 1. Well, you can't actually do that because once you use a number, it's gone for that number. So, you could do 2 minus 1. That equals 1. Cool? Okay, now move on to 2. You could say, okay, 2 times 1 is 2. Oh, this is pretty easy, Mr. Schneider. To get 3, 2 plus 1. Okay? Are we kind of getting the feel of it? Now, if you're thinking in a different way, maybe, another way to get 3 could be 12 minus 8, which is 4, minus 1, which is 3. That's completely cool too. Okay? So that new goal today is to try to get as high as you can before you get stuck. Feel free to bring your family in on this too. This could be a family thing that you guys do together. Okay? But give it a try. Now, the second page is if you go past 20, and I'll need this for an example. Let's say you got all the way up to 26. Now, for 26, that could be a little trickier. But you can also use parentheses. Does that help? So you could say, okay, 12 plus 1, well, that gives me 13. And then I can times that by 2 and get 26. Okay? You're mostly right there. But what I don't like is all these equal signs because it's like kind of wrong, even though this is your thought process. So here's what you use instead. You use parentheses. So 12 plus 1, that's the first operation you do. So you put them in parentheses. That gives you 13, and then 13 doubled gives you 26. Okay? So see how high you can get. Now here are the numbers you're going to get. 3179. And the next PDF, you have this is the first page, 3179, and this as the second page. What you're going to do is you're going to fill out as much as you can, try to go as high as you possibly can, and then upload the 2-page PDF to Canvas in the assignments. Okay? Good luck. I can't wait to see how you do. Okay, bye.